We all know that Canva is a powerful tool that is being used to design stuff such as logo, flyers, or even videos, and many other things can be done with Canva. But you know they have affiliate program. They will pay you when you'll refer someone to Canva. Let me show you how much you can make money with the Canva affiliate program, and I'll also tell you how you can promote your referral link. And with this strategy guys, you'll get targeted referrals. So all you wanna do is to go ahead and smash the like button now. And if you are new to my channel, then be sure to subscribe to my channel as well. So first of all, you wanna come to canva.com/affiliates. And once you guys come to their affiliate page, then here you can see, with 3 simple steps you can start earning with Canva. So at first you wanna register as an affiliate, and then you wanna promote Canva Pro. So you have to promote the Canva Pro, then you'll make money. Now if we see the third step, start earning, then we can see they're saying, earn up to $36 for each new Canva Pro subscriber that signs up with your unique referral link. So you'll make $36 per referral when someone will take the Canva Pro service. Now if you can refer 5 to 10 people a day, then you can make a decent amount of money with Canva, and I'll tell you where you can find targeted people who will be interested to try out the Canva service. So at first what you wanna do, you wanna join their affiliate program by simply clicking this Join Now button. And once you click this button, then it'll take you to this page. Now here you wanna fill up all of your information one by one. Now here as you can see it says account display name, and you'll put your name as your account display name. And for the website you wanna put one of your social media links. It could be YouTube, Facebook or Instagram. And then you wanna put your address and country. Then here you have to choose partner type, and partner type you'll choose social media influencer. And after that property type you'll choose social networks, and here you wanna choose one of the social networks. Let's say you have a YouTube channel. Then you'll click here YouTube, and here you'll put your channel URL. And after that make sure you check their agreements, and then you wanna hit sign up, and after completing this sign up process then you just wanna grab your affiliate link. And now let's see how to get targeted referrals to your affiliate link, and for that, you wanna come to Fiverr.com. And once you come to Fiverr then you'll go a little bit down, and here you'll choose graphics and design. And now here as you can see a lot of different categories, since all of these categories are under the graphics design category. So you can pick any of these from here. Let's click this one flyer design, and it's gonna take you to this page. Now here you can see these people are providing flyer design services to their customers. But most of these sellers complete their designs manually, which takes them a lot of time to complete a design. So what you wanna do, you wanna go to their profile. And once you go to a profile then you wanna send them a message, and you wanna say in your message something like this. Hey, I know how hard it is to complete a flyer design, and I know how many revisions you go through. What if the flyer design was already done for you? And you'll just change the content as per your client's requirements. Yes, there's something that I use for all of my designs. If you would love to check it out then here is the link, and you'll put your affiliate link here, and make sure you make your affiliate link shorter, and then you wanna say I hope you'll enjoy using it. And don't just directly send this message. At first talk with them, try to make a friendship with them, and then share your affiliate link with a message something like this. So comment down below what you think about this method, and don't forget to drop a simple like to this video, and I'll see you in my next video.